Okay. A very pleasant good morning to Vanada gathered here. It's an absolute honor and privilege and show our interest to solve the given problem statement. We, the team members are Rizz Engineers. My name is Damodran N. Members are Bharani S, Devadarshini and Tenishka S, and a respected mentor named Mr. J. Aldo Stalin created a concept for the solution of the given problem statement. Today, we are addressing a very important issues. Many kids lack basic financial literacy. Because of this, when they grow up, they often struggle with money management, leading to regrets and financial stress later in life. One major reason for this gap is that traditional financial education is boring, of course, for this younger generation and not engaging for kids. Studies show that about 60% of young adults regret not learning management skills earlier because of traditional teaching at home. However, there is a hope. Gamified learning methods have been proven to increase retention by 90% compared to traditional teaching. So we ask ourselves, what if we make learning about money fun and exciting just like a game? That's where our project comes in.
To solve this problem, we introduce our idea, the financial literacy minigame. It's a fun and interactive game where kids learn the basics of earning, savings, and budgeting, but in a way that feels like play, not study. Our game includes three exciting parts: time freeze coin collector, ATM simulator, and budget planning. We also added a unique feature, an emotion meter that tracks financial happiness based on the choices kids make. As they progress, kids unlock new responsibilities like managing food, rent, entertainment, and medical expenses, just like in real life. Through this project, we are also contributing to two major sustainable development goals: quality education and decent work and economics growth. Now let's look at the technical stack behind our minigame. For the front end, we are using HTML and CSS to build a clean and colorful user interface that's attractive for kids. To handle the actual game mechanics like moving the player, collecting coins, and managing levels, we use Phaser.js, a powerful JavaScript game framework made for 2D games. On the back end, if we want to save the player's progress, we can use Python with Django or Java with Spring Boot. Coming to database, we plan to use MySQL to store important data such as user progress, levels completed, and the money they have earned. If we want a simpler version, especially for offline play, we can use local storage directly in the browser to save game data temporarily.
Now let's talk about who benefits and the impact of our project. First, our primary beneficiaries are kids aged 8 to 15 years old. They will learn essential financial skills like saving, budgeting, and spending wisely, but in a fun and easy to understand way. Parents and schools will also benefit because our game provides an interactive tool to teach money management, making their job much easier and more effective. Society as a whole gains too, because by building financial literacy early, we create future generations who are financially responsible and independent. In terms of impact, it helps reduce poor money habits right from a young age. It makes financial education engaging, practical, and memorable for kids.
Now let's move on to our implementation plan. First, we will start by designing a simple and colorful user interface using HTML and CSS to make it attractive for kids. Next, we will build the mini games like the time freeze coin collector, ATM simulator, and budget planning using Phaser.js. That's perfect for creating fun, interactive experiences. To track player progress, like how much money they have collected or what level they have reached, we will use local storage in the browser for a simple setup. We will also integrate the emotion meter feature that gives the experience even more engaging. Future scope and scalability. In the future, we plan to add advanced features like unexpected expenses, investment options, and more challenging levels. We also aim to launch a mobile version using Unity or React Native to reach more users. For monetization, in the future, we plan to explore ads, premium features, and partnerships with financial education platforms. On the scalability side, we will start simple with local storage but can upgrade to Firebase or MySQL for saving data online. For performance, we will use techniques like lazy loading and WebGL to make the game run smoother, especially as we add more features.
To conclude, our goal is to make financial literacy fun and interactive. Through a game, kids will be better prepared for real world money decision. Start young, save smart. I hope this solution for the respected problem statement plays a very important solution to lead into about the financial status of an younger generation. Hope you understood. Thank you so much.